What in the world is going on in here? I did not turn this on. That's crazy. Zart? Is that you with sunshine? What in the world? Is that an LOL surprise heart? Whoa, I think Zart bought her a present. He wrote a note. Let's see what he says. Here is a heart because I love you. There's a ring inside. Love, Zart. Zart, that was so sweet. Well, I think this is a bath bomb. Let's see what ring we get inside. Look at it bubbling. Whoa, there's like millions of bubbles. Are you seeing this? Let's check to see how it's doing. Ooh, it's like magic. Do you hear all those bubbles in there? That's insane. Wow. Are you guys ready to take a magical bubble bath together? I think that's what they're gonna do. I'm just so excited to see the ring. Comment down below what you think the ring is gonna look like. I think it's gonna be pink. And it's gonna have purple polka dots and gold glitter coming out of it. Do you think that might be the one that we get? Okay, you see the hole there? That's probably where the ring's gonna come. I'm so excited. This is such a cool bath bomb. Have any of you ever had one before? I'm starting to see it. Do you see it in there? Oh, so excited. It's almost out. It's a princess crown ring. She's so cute. And look, that part is pink. Here you go. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel down below where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. I think Zart really loves sunshine. And as always, I love my elves on the shelf.